Angie from Bird Control Australia. Today we're demonstrating one of our products. It's called the Solar Bird Repeller. Now we've had lots of people call complaining about ducks around the pool lately, and once ducks start coming to your pool area, they keep coming and they leave a hell of a mess. So these telescopic arms that you can pull out will give you 5 feet of coverage and you're not relying on wind. It's also very useful for outdoor furniture, on top of air conditioning units, pontoons and boats. Thanks for watching Bird Control Australia.